Oh, Luke.
Is it on?
It's on.
It's from Grandma. From Grandma.
Are you excited, Luke? Oh. What is it?
Popcorn.
Yay, popcorn.
More popcorn.
More popcorn.
That'll be so yummy.
You like popcorn.
A cookie.
Wow. Wait, keep going. Keep going. We'll look at some more.
Here, I'll open this and you can get some more out.
No milk.
Oh, yum.
Luke, what else is in here, buddy?
What else is in there? More cookies. What else? I bet it's too cold to eat right
It's
now.
kind of cold, huh?
What else? A letter.
A letter for
Grandma.
Luke.
My goodness. Dear Lukety Luke, happy birthday, sweet boy. We love you. Love Grandma and Grandpa. Yeah.
Say thank you. Say I love you.
There's still more.
I know.
Oh, okay. Let's see what else. Oh, is that a cookie? Wait, can you see his face from where you're Oh. What is that? Candy. Grandma, how does she know?
Do you like candy, Luke?
My goodness.
You are going to be all candied out. Help.
Yeah.
Help.
Yeah. Say love you. Say thank you, Grandma.
Give Grandma and Grandpa a kiss. Yeah.